Welcome to the tutorial video of my Truly Fit Life app, your health hub to help you reach your goals. First, enter your email and password to log in and see all of your content. Make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss a beat. Check out the Apple Watch app and complete your workouts on your watch. The first screen you'll see is your dashboard. This is where you can see your daily to-dos, access tools and resources, track progress, and see all of your stats. By clicking the gear icon, you can add, drop, and rearrange your progress tiles. The Tools and Resources section is your information station, where you can learn more about living a holistically healthy life. If you scroll all the way down, you can see all of your badges and achievements. Along the bottom of the screen, you will see icons for all of the different pages you can access. So next, we will go to your calendar. Your calendar will show you everything you have scheduled for the next week. Here, you can add, delete, and reschedule your to-dos, like workouts, activities, and sleep. Now, we will click the kettlebell icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll find all of your programs and on-demand workout library. When you decide on a workout, you can click and schedule for today with ease. At any time, you can click the plus icon on your screen to add a workout, activity, meal, track sleep, and progress. To schedule a workout on multiple days, click the workout icon, open the schedule in the upper right corner of your screen, choose the days you want your workout to be, choose which program you want to follow, choose your workout, and here you'll add it to 3 scheduled days. You'll see when you go to your calendar that Lower SB1 Gym has been scheduled for the next 3 Saturdays. In order to add an activity, you will follow similar steps. Click the plus icon, choose activity, pick your activity from the list, enter the information, and save. The target at the bottom will reveal your nutrition goal and any other habits that may have been added. If you click on your nutrition goal, you can see the macronutrient breakdown for a week at a time. Next, the meal plans. If you choose the fork and knife icon at the bottom of the screen, you will open your meal plan. Remember, nutrition is 70% of your results. If you have a meal plan, you should follow it. A really cool feature is having the ability to generate a grocery shopping list. And if you don't like the selection that comes up on a particular day, you can regenerate until you find something you like. When you utilize the meal plan, meal tracking becomes very easy because all you have to do is choose 8 today whenever you eat something from the library. Then, you can see that it has been added to your meals for the day. Finally, to access your account info, click on the 3 dots on the bottom of the screen. Here, you can view your profile, edit payments, make purchases, connect your devices, and other health apps. Tracking on My Truly Fit Life works best when it is connected to Apple Health, Withings, Apple Watch, or Fitbit. We hope you enjoy the app, and we wish you the best on your journey.